Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, wa bi kufrihim wa qawlihim ala Maryam buhtanan azima. Translation: and also cursed for their disbelief and their saying of false charges against Maryam. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the hearts of the Jews sealed, and they could not get the truth in their hearts because of their disbelief. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that they are cursed because of their disbelief and because of the humongous slander that they used to say against Maryam alayhi salam. The Jews believe that Maryam alayhi salam had a relationship with a person called Yusuf Najjar, who was her fiance, but they were not married at that time. However, they had some relationship because of which Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was born, na'udhu billah. And they used to call Hazrat Isa alayhi salam a person who was born without a wedlock, and this was a great accusation and a great slander that they used to say. And this also explains how these two religions and the follower of these two religions are extremely different in their theology. The Jews are making this big slander against Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam and also against Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and the Christians on the other hand is claiming that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is the son of God, na'udhu billah. So there is no possibility that these two religions can be together, and that's what we have seen in the history. Most of the time it is very unusual in the last 100 or more years that this enmity and this hatred between the Christians and Jews have ended, and now what we see that the Christians are main supporters of the Jews and they are friends. But this background, if we understand, we can understand that their religions are so different. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly given us the details of what happened, and also when Hazrat Isa alayhi salam were born and the Bani Israel were accusing Maryam alayhi salam, then Maryam alayhi salam pointed towards the little baby boy who was just born, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, who was just newborn, to be able to talk. And Quran records the words what Hazrat Isa alayhi salam said. He said, Inni Abdullahi atani al-kitaba wa ja'alni nabiyya, that indeed I am the slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given me the book and who has made me a prophet. And this clearly gives the information that the accusation and slander of Jews is 100% false, and we should pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, give us the vision of truth and help us understand Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.